Happy Thursday. In today's video, I'm going to start one of many of the video series going over lead magnets of big businesses to see exactly how they are doing their lead generation and what strategies you can actually steal for your own business. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the tech giant HubSpot's marketing grader, so that way we can see exactly how they are bringing in leads with this specific tool. With a lot of lead magnets, we are trying to give people answers, and HubSpot is doing the exact opposite. They are focusing on people's problems, people's marketing problems, and getting people in with this marketing grader. So let's go ahead and take a look at this marketing grader so you can see exactly what's working for them and what you can use for your business. If you enjoy content like this and you want a weekly breakdown of lead magnets that are actually working for big companies and you want to learn how to apply it to your business along with other lead generation information, I urge you to go ahead and sign up for my lead magnet newsletter. This lead magnet newsletter is going to come out every Thursday where we'll have actionable tips to help you actually generate more leads for your business. In addition to that, if you join the newsletter, you actually get free access to my community, the Lead Generation Hub, where you can actually be with like-minded entrepreneurs and socialize about lead generation, learn more from me, and everything else that goes along with it. So let's go ahead and take a look at HubSpot's website so I can break this down for you so you can see exactly how to use these strategies for your business. All right, so we are talking about HubSpot's marketing grader tool that they actually have as a lead magnet on their website. This right here is actually a blog talking about the marketing grader tool replacing the website grader. This is the most information I could actually find on this specific lead magnet, because when we actually go to the landing page, it's not going to give nearly as much information as this blog post is. So this is the reason I've decided to start here. So as you can see, this is a marketing grader for your overall business, and it's going to take information from your website and search the web and do all kinds of stuff to actually see how you are doing with your marketing. So this tool actually replaced a website grader, and it looks like this tool has been around for a long time. I can't tell you how many downloads they've gotten. None of that information is actually here for the actual marketing grader, but the website grader did have a lot of downloads when it was available. So it looks like they launched this in 2011. So this lead magnet has been around for a while. And apparently now here in 2025, if it's still up, that means it's generating a lot of leads for HubSpot. So let's go ahead and look at what we would get with the marketing grader. So it's looking at your total score, and the score is based out of 100 points. And it's looking at things like, here we have the top of funnel, middle of funnel, analytics. So it's looking at a lot of different things together. Also looking at social media, giving you an overall analysis of your business and your marketing resources and what you're actually doing with your business, how your marketing is actually working. So this was kind of like a detailed information of the lead magnet. So HubSpot is a really big name, and they can get away with things that us as small business owners cannot. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to their landing page and show you what this looks like for their landing page. So basically it does say website grader. If you can remember back when we were actually reading over this blog post, is that it's actually a marketing grader, not website grader. So they did not actually change this around. So this has been changed to the free marketing grader tool replaces the website grader. but when I click on this button, I am being taken to the website grader. As a small business, we can't do this. So if we're replacing a tool, we need to rename it. We need to go ahead and change the links up and everything, because this right here is a little confusing. As a big company, HubSpot has this very simple landing page that does not tell anything about really what this lead magnet is about. There's one sentence here: grade your website in 2 sentences. Grade your website in seconds, and then learn how to improve it for free. That's not even what we're talking about anymore, because we are actually speaking about marketing. So HubSpot really does need to upgrade this page. They need to update it to make it the marketing grader, just like this blog post says here, so people aren't confused. But if for some reason they immediately get to this page without reading this blog post, then they're going to think that they are going to get a website grader, okay? So that's one thing right there. We don't want to confuse our audience. We do want to make sure that everyone is on the same track and everybody knows what they are going to get. All right, so let's move on down this landing page and see what else they have here. Okay, so they have get your website rating in seconds, and they have a icon here that shows you exactly what you're going to get. But once again, like I said, we're not getting our website rated anymore. We're getting our overall marketing. So it would be great if they could actually update this to say get your marketing rating in seconds, and actually have an image of what you're getting as far as your marketing grader, okay? So all of this, like I said, is leaning towards the website ranking tool that they had, but it has been replaced with the marketing grader tool, okay? But aside from all of this, okay, so we know HubSpot is a big company. We know that they have millions of users probably, and they have a lot of traffic coming to the site. So what are some good things from this marketing grader tool that we can actually implement in our businesses to get more leads? Okay, knowing that this is a marketing grader tool versus a website grader tool, this is more comprehensive. And so this gives an overall picture of business health and everything related to marketing rather than just a website. And maybe they move from the website grader to a marketing grader because they know a lot of people may not even have a website, and maybe they're just using social media or whatever. I'm not quite sure why they moved from website to generalized marketing, but it is more comprehensive. And so if you have a lead magnet, you can make your lead magnet more comprehensive. So that way people download something, or they maybe take a assessment like this or a quiz like this that gives them an overall broad picture of something that you actually do within your business. The next thing that HubSpot is doing great is that they have instant gratification. With this tool, you're putting in your information and you are instantly getting a score based up on what you've put in to see how well you're doing. The third thing that they're doing really well is after you get your score, they are giving you information on how you can actually improve, okay? So they have the comprehensive lead magnet. They are giving you instant gratification. So right then and there, you are getting your score. And then thirdly, they are giving you suggestions on how you can improve. These are all 3 strategies that you can use in your business with your lead magnets. So what is it that you can take from this, okay? So aside from making sure that your landing page is obviously matching up to what you're giving them and making sure that you have the correct information on here, what you can do is you can create tools like this for your business that gives people instant gratification with those scores, gives them immediate feedback on things that they can do, and number 3, obviously makes it really easy for them to actually sign up and doesn't make it complex, because people do not like complexity. If you are going to ask for 20 different form fields, people are less likely to fill out something like this for your website, for your lead magnet. So We're in the age of AI automations, and something really easy, something really simple that you can do similar to this is set up a make automation lead magnet. So maybe you are actually only asking for their name and their email address, and maybe you have something on the back end that is analyzing their website based upon the specifications of what you do in your business, and then generating a report for them that is automatically sent via email. That is a type of tool that you can implement, that HubSpot has implemented for their business, which would actually get you higher conversions. And on top of that, if you create this automation so it's custom for each and every business, each and every person that actually puts in their information, that is also going to increase your conversions for your lead magnet. So in all actuality, what is the bottom line here? The bottom line here with HubSpot and for your business, I believe the bottom line for this lead magnet teardown is basically making sure that it's easy for people to get your lead magnet. And number two, if you can put in a custom tool that will give out a custom report for their business, this will also convert much easier and much better than a very generic lead magnet. So if you're interested in doing something like this, what I'm suggesting is going ahead and setting up a short, quick little automation on Make and putting that together for your lead magnet. If you need help with any of your lead magnets, please contact me. I'll drop my information down below. If you want to go the route of creating your lead magnets with Magnetify, if you want me to do a custom lead magnet automation for you, sending out custom reports, I can do that as well. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with others.